Hi everyone, Ashley from Tribal Farms here. Today we wanted to share with you this really great watermelon salad recipe. We were inspired by a recipe that we came across on the Fresh from Florida website. So we're gonna put our own little Hempy spin on it, and we're gonna share that with you today. I'm gonna go ahead and add the watermelon first, and then the olive oil. And then my scallions, a little bit of basil. We're gonna go ahead and mix it up, see how easy this is. Sprinkle it with a little bit of mozzarella. And then we're gonna go ahead and drizzle on that balsamic with the essential blend. Perfect. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. And there you go. You've got a beautiful watermelon summer salad.